You know that feeling when you wake up, check your phone, and see money coming in while you're still in bed? That's the magic of passive income. And the best part is, it's not just a dream anymore. In 2025, there are real ways to make money online without grinding 24/7. You don't need a huge investment, a fancy degree, or a tech background. You just need to know the right strategies and be willing to take that first step. Today, I'm going to show you 7 real ways to make passive income online, and I'll break it down in a way that anyone can understand and start implementing immediately. Let's start with the first method. One of the most popular ways people are earning passive income right now is through affiliate marketing. Think of it like recommending something to a friend, except your friend buys it online and you earn a commission. That's literally it. You don't have to create the product, manage shipping, or handle customer service. Big companies like Amazon, Shopify, or ClickBank handle all of that. Your job is just to connect the right product with the right person. Now, some people imagine affiliate marketing as this complicated thing with tons of tech and websites, but honestly, it doesn't have to be. You can start by simply creating a blog, a YouTube channel, or even using social media platforms. For instance, I know a guy who started recommending productivity tools on TikTok. He made his first $500 in the first month without spending a dime on ads. Fast forward a year, and he's making over $5,000 monthly. And the craziest part, he barely touches his account now because the content he created continues to attract new buyers every day. The key is consistency and focusing on a niche that genuinely interests you, because when you care about something, it shows and people trust you. The second method is creating and selling digital products. Digital products are amazing because once you make them, they can be sold infinite times without extra effort. Think ebooks, online courses, printables, or even stock photos. For example, someone who loves photography can create presets or stock photos and sell them online. I personally know a photographer who turned his hobby into a passive income stream. He spent a weekend creating 50 high-quality presets and listed them online. Within a month, he had made over $1,200 in sales, and those same presets continue to sell each month without him doing anything new. The real advantage here is the leverage. You spend time up front, and then the product keeps working for you in the background. And don't worry if you're not a professional. People are willing to pay for anything that helps them save time or solve a problem. Even a simple guide like how to organize your week or simple meal prep for busy people can earn you money repeatedly once it's online. The third way to earn passive income is by investing in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs. Now, this isn't just about buying random stocks and hoping they go up. Dividend stocks are companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly, usually quarterly. Think of it as getting paid just for owning a piece of a company. In 2025, there are platforms that make investing super accessible, even for beginners. You can start with as little as $50, and some apps will even let you reinvest your dividends automatically, which accelerates growth over time. For instance, one of my friends started with just $500 and focused on dividend ETFs. He consistently reinvested the payouts instead of spending them, and in 2 years, that small investment grew significantly. Not through luck, but through compounding. The beauty of this method is that it's truly hands-off once you set it up. Of course, it's important to do your research and avoid risky speculation, but with patience and the right strategy, this can become a reliable source of passive income that continues to grow while you focus on other projects or even relax at home. These first 3 methods share a common theme: leverage. They let you put in effort upfront and then continue earning over time, often without active work every day. But here's the secret most people overlook. They don't just generate money, they also build skills, connections, and credibility along the way. Affiliate marketing teaches you how to communicate persuasively and understand audiences. Creating digital products forces you to structure information clearly and learn design and marketing basics. Dividend investing teaches patience, research, and financial literacy. Each method not only brings income, but also prepares you for bigger opportunities in the future. And when you combine more than one of these streams, your income starts to snowball. Now, I want to share a little story because it really shows how passive income compounds over time. A friend of mine, Sarah, decided she wanted to escape the rat race. She started by creating a small course teaching beginners how to use productivity apps. She earned her first $200 in a month and thought, not bad, but I need more. So she added affiliate links for software she recommended and even started a small blog with free tips. By the 3rd month, she was earning $500 per month, mostly automatically. She didn't quit her day job, but she was building something in the background that gave her freedom. Fast forward to now, she has 4 passive income streams, and the total is over $8,000 monthly. all from things she created once and left to work for her. What's amazing is that the compounding effect not only increased her income, but also her confidence. She realized she could create value for others, make money while she slept, and control her own life in ways she never thought possible. At this point, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but I don't know where to start. And that's perfectly normal. The truth is, the hardest part isn't the strategy, it's starting. So many people wait for the perfect moment, the perfect idea, or the perfect tool. Here's the reality. 2025 is full of tools and platforms that make it ridiculously easy to start today. You don't need a fancy website, expensive courses, or a big budget. You just need focus and consistency. Pick one method, learn as much as you can about it, and take the first step. That first small step might feel insignificant, but it's the spark that lights the fire. And once you see even a tiny bit of progress, momentum will carry you forward in ways you never imagined. By now, you can probably see the potential in these first three methods. Affiliate marketing, digital products, and dividend investing aren't just ideas. They're real, proven strategies people are using right now to generate money online. And the best part, they don't require you to be a tech genius or have a massive following. You just need curiosity, willingness to learn, and consistency. That's it. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that money is flowing into your accounts, giving you freedom, security, and opportunities you didn't have before. That's the power of passive income. And the exciting part is that we haven't even covered the next four methods yet. Those are the strategies that can really multiply your earnings and give you more freedom than you thought possible. Now let's move on to the next four ways to generate passive income online in 2025. These methods might feel a little more advanced, but don't worry. I'll break them down step by step so anyone can start, even if you're a complete beginner. The fourth method is creating a faceless YouTube channel. You don't even have to be on camera. The concept is simple. Create content that people want to watch, like tutorials, top 10 lists, news summaries, or animated explainer videos. With AI tools like ChatGPT for scripting, Midjourney for visuals, and voice generation software, you can produce high-quality content consistently without ever showing your face. Here's the kicker. Once your videos are uploaded, they keep earning ad revenue indefinitely. I know someone who started a faceless YouTube channel about personal finance. In the first few months, they made barely $50, but after a year, those same videos were making $1,500 per month. And the amazing part, they weren't working more. They just kept producing content and optimizing what already existed. YouTube is a long-term game, but the payoff is real if you stick with it. The fifth way is AI-driven website creation and services. Small businesses need websites, but not all can afford expensive agencies. This is where you can step in. Using AI tools, you can generate websites, copy, and visuals quickly and efficiently. One small client might pay $500 for a simple site. And if you build multiple websites a month, that can easily turn into $2,000 or more. I had a friend who learned how to use no-code builders and started offering AI website packages. In 6 months, he was running 5 clients simultaneously and earning steady monthly income without doing repetitive work. What makes this method incredible is the scalability. Once you get good, you can create templates and reuse them for multiple clients, multiplying your earning potential while keeping the workload manageable. The sixth method is AI automation services. Businesses always need efficiency, streamlined workflows, automated email sequences, and improved customer engagement. You can help companies implement these systems using AI tools, and they'll happily pay top dollar for the results. For instance, I taught a team member how to automate internal processes for a small business. With just a few hours of setup each week, that one client saved hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars. And the person providing the automation, they were earning $1,500 per month with minimal ongoing effort. AI automation is not just about doing less work. It's about delivering massive value, which means the clients are happy to pay and stick around long term. The seventh and final method is selling AI-generated content or products online. Think ebooks, stock photos, AI art, or even niche tools for specific industries. Once the content is created, you can list it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. I've seen people earn anywhere from $50 to $500 daily just selling AI-generated assets. The key is understanding your audience, creating quality products, and leveraging multiple platforms to reach buyers. The best part? This type of income doesn't stop. Even if you take a week off, the products you created months ago are still earning money. Here's the big lesson tying all 7 methods together. Passive income isn't about luck, shortcuts, or magical formulas. It's about creating systems that work for you, consistently adding value, and letting time and automation amplify your efforts. The first three methods, affiliate marketing, digital products, and dividend investing, give you a strong foundation. The last four, faceless YouTube channels, AI websites, AI automation, and AI-generated products, allow you to scale and maximize your earning potential in 2025 and beyond. Passive income isn't just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom to wake up without an alarm, freedom to choose your projects, and freedom to live life on your own terms. Imagine waking up one morning, sipping your coffee, and checking your accounts only to see your money working for you while you slept. That's the real power of passive income. It's not a fantasy, it's a system, a mindset, and a strategy that anyone can implement today. Start now, take one small step, and watch as the compounding effect of your efforts turns your financial dreams into reality. Because in 2025, the tools are in your hands, the opportunities are endless, and the only limit is how willing you are to take action.